Hello guys, happy new year once again and welcome to Seated Power Solution. So today guys, I've been introduced to the KTJ Flood light. This is the 100 watts and this is the 200 watts and this is the 300 watts. It comes with a panel. It lasts longer. It can stay up to 6 p.m. in the evening, and the following day 6 a.m. in the morning. So it's a very affordable product guys. I recommend this product to you guys. So if you want to place your order, you can visit us at number 7 Akinwemi and Neferushi Ikeja, or you visit any of our social media platforms. We'll be awaiting your order. Thank you. Bye.